Vasati Dashana Shikare Dharani Tava Lagna Shashini Kalanka Kaleva Nimagna Keshavadrita Shukara Rupa Jai Jagadisha Hare. So, Namaste dear friends, welcome to another video after quite a while. Time's been turbulent, and so I was thinking to share something on the Dashavatar Shri Yantra Shakti Sadhana. So the Dashavatar are the 10 incarnations of Krishna, not of Vishnu. Vishnu is an incarnation of Krishna, or the different Vishnu forms for that matter. And though they are 10, there are 7 who rule over the planets, and then Varaha rules over the moon node Rahu, and Matsya rules over the moon node Ketu, and then there is a 10th one that can also be associated with some planetary energies, that is the Kalki avatar. But we don't need to go too deep into that. It's just that for those who know a little bit about Shakti Sadhana, Khadgamala, Stotram, etc., the Shri Yantra is a representation of the union of Shiva and Shakti, the intersections, which are also called Mamas. There are different Devis, different Shaktis are located there, and there are again 9 levels, which also correspond to the 7 chakras plus 2 sub-chakras of the human body. Microcosm has a macrocosm, and in the first mandala, or the first chakra of the Shri Yantra, there are basically 3 levels there. There's some preliminary Shaktis also that are worshipped, and the first group of Shaktis that is invoked in the Shri Yantra is the Siddhis. So, and because Lord Varaha, the incarnation, is the second incarnation of Vishnu in the chronology, he is also very much associated with the first chakra, with Bhumandala, Bhudevi, Gaia, the Mother Earth goddess, and so on. And he also checks the mystical perfections or siddhis that were acquired by the demon Hiranyaksha. So in my Shakti Sadhana, I rationalize that ultimately these Shaktis of the Shri Yantra, they are all energies of Vishnu or Krishna, because every energy is Krishna's energy. It's his external energy, and the problems arise when we want to possess, control these energies, or reject and don't want to deal with these energies. That's basically the tendency for bhukti, enjoyment, and mukti, liberation, which is not ours, not our position to take these approaches, because we ourselves are subordinate Shaktis or energies of God. So the real genuine approach and attitude towards all energies of God is that they are to serve God, and so we are just channels who should respect these energies and use them in the service, employ them in the service of God. So so similar for the siddhis. Usually devotees, they don't want any siddhis, they are not interested in that sense in siddhis, but if they, in some cases, like for example Hanuman, he also employed the siddhi of anima, and that is the siddhi I want to speak about today. It's the first Shakti of the Shri Yantra. It's anima siddha, and these Shaktis, these siddhis, I offer them all in one mantra to Lord Varaha, to give them to their rightful enjoyer. So if I make a combined mantra of the name of Animayei and Varaha, then it would be Animayei Varahayau. So to Varaha, this Shakti. And the meditation is that, oh yeah, I was talking about Hanuman. So Hanuman also used this siddhi in his service to Lord Ram. So he became very small when he entered the city of Lanka at some point. So similarly, when Lord Varaha appeared from the nose of Brahma, the secondary creator, he obviously became very small to be able, I mean, the size of the Lord can be anything. He is not limited by time and space. So first of all, he was very small. He came out from the nostril of Lord Brahma with the full possession of the Anima Siddhi, the perfection of minuteness, atomic size. So that is my meditation. I oracled the Shakti. I make a finger testing, muscle testing. There I have some video on this, or how this process works with finger testing. So I check which mandala I had some health problem, chronic health problem, and so I ask which energy is related to that needs to be, how to say, re-engaged in the loving service of the Lord, if you want. So, and first I checked which of the 9 levels it was, and then when I found it's the first level, I checked which of the 3 aspects of the first level, because there are three distinctions in the first mandala of the Shri Shakti, and then in the first it's the Bhupura, actually the surrounding of the Yantra. There again there are 10 Shaktis, and then I checked again with the muscle testing kinesiology which Shakti it was. It was the first Shakti, it was Anima Siddhi. So and then I took this mantra, combined mantra, and I can pray that, or I can chant Maha Mantra while meditating on Lord Varaha, employing the Anima Siddhi, the minuteness while coming from the nostril of Lord Brahma. I can make a sigil I can make a sigil mantra from it, and I can also make a sigil rune yantra which I can paint on my body for healing. I can energize water with this. There are many ways to apply this Shakti in the service of the Lord, and of course I can talk so much more what it could mean for me, etc. You're welcome to ask questions, leave a comment, leave a like, share for the benefit of all. Thank you very much. Also check the links in the description. May the Om-Love be with you. Jai Shri Radhe Shyam. Animayei Varahayau Ki Jai.